Namaste Sakhyo dosto, welcome back to the Visionary Vibrance. Today we are diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us. The traffic chaos in our bustling city of Delhi. It's a daily struggle that we all face, and I am here to shed some light on the madness that ensues on our roads. Picture this, a typical morning in Delhi, and now I am on the way to drop my daughter off at school. What should be a quick 10 minutes drive often turns into a frustrating 30 minutes ordeal due to the never ending traffic snarls. Let's dive into the reason behind this madness. Firstly, we have daring daredevils who think it's perfectly acceptable to zip through the traffic on the wrong side of the road. Whether it's bikes, scooters, e-rickshaws, or even buses, they show no regards for traffic rules and put everyone's safety at risk. Speaking of buses, don't even get me started on the notorious DTC buses. Despite of boldly stated, I am driving in my lane, they seem to have a mind of their own, hogging the middle of the road and causing chaos wherever they go. It's a nerve-wracking experience for passenger and the people who are driving nearby to the bus. And let's not forget our beloved teenagers, whose need for the speed often leads to reckless driving influenced by racing games, movies. They treat the roads like their personal racetrack, endangering themselves and others in this process. Today, I have seen one small baby, I think he was just 11 years old in my own society, and he was driving a scooty. Not once, but I have seen him twice. It's an alarming for us. We are giving scooty to 11 years old baby. Come on. Talking about our two-wheelers, especially e-rickshaws, auto rickshaws, they just try to fit in even if they find a tiny space between two vehicles. Please don't do this. It is actually frustrating and you are endangering yourself and the others. But again, it's not just the two-wheelers and four-wheelers causing havoc. Trucks, small carriers, and even cars think it is acceptable to park in the middle of the road, creating bottlenecks, adding to the frustration of commuters. And here's the surprising twist. A significant portion of our city's drivers are operating vehicles without a valid license, with a notable percentage being female. It is a concerning trend that adds to the chaos on our already congested roads. I have never experienced that a traffic person, a traffic police person, he is checking documents or license from a female driver, especially who are driving the scooties. They are most of the time with the kids. It is not safe. So what we can do to make things better? It is simple, honestly. Let's start by obeying traffic rules. I know it seems difficult, but actually it is not. Staying in our lanes, patience is the key when navigating the chaotic street of Delhi. So let's all make a conscious effort to remain calm behind the wheel. And parents, please, let's be more responsible role models for your teenagers. Say no to underage driving and teach them the importance of following traffic rules from a young age. But it's not just up to the citizens to bring about the change. We need the support from the government side as well. Installing cameras at every signal and enforcing stricter penalties for traffic violation can go a long way in making our roads safer for everyone. So let's all do our part, one step at a time, to ease the traffic woes of our beloved city. Remember, change starts with us. Until next time, stay safe on the road. Om Shanti.